Yeah. You give it a shot? Well, here we go. What you think, baby?
What are you thinking?
It's like, it's on my lip.
What are you thinking?
Try a little bit more?
Oh, do you like it?
Oh, that's good, Dad. Oh, no, might have changed my mind. You're not really taking a lot here, Jules.
That's okay. It's our first time.
There you go. What you think? It's like, I don't know.
Oh, it's vague. You look like you like it.